Welcome back to Code Quest Chronicles. Are you ready to write your very first line of Python code? A Python program is just a list of instructions you give to the computer. Let's start with the simplest one, making it say something. But how do we do that? To make the computer speak, we use a command called print. It tells the computer to print whatever is inside the quotation marks. Let's try it together. Type print hello world. Now press run. Boom! You just told the computer to say hello. Want to say more? Just change what's inside the quotes. You can make Python say anything. Your name, a joke, even emojis. So now you know how to make your computer talk. Just like that, you have written your first Python program. Great job, coder! In the next episode, we'll use Python as a calculator. You'll be solving maths problem with just a few lines of code.